This is how I get my signature flat iron curls. I like to start with my hair damp before blow drying to do a little bit of prep work. I like to use a blow dry serum and then a volumizing cream to give my hair a little bit of extra life and hold. And then I just blow dry my hair like normal, nothing special there. Then for my flat iron curls, I've been using this flat iron called the Vibrastrait. It's really cool because it has these vibrating plates that help your hair just glide smoothly through. Flat iron curls can be a little tricky to achieve sometimes because your hair can tug or pull as it moves through the plates, but that's where these vibrating plates come in very handy because it helps to keep your hair smooth as it moves through the flat iron. You just take a small section of hair and then turn your iron all the way 180 degrees and then pull it through towards the ends of your hair. I love the look of a flat iron curl because it helps to smooth your hair as you're curling and it gives you so much control. I mean, watch this. My hair just looks super shiny and smooth as compared to the other side of my hair where I haven't done it yet. I personally like to do my hair one side at a time, but you can of course do it in layers as well. It's honestly crazy how quickly this flat iron moves through my hair. I feel like I can honestly get my whole